Hi guys, and welcome to the preview of the course on Django from the beginner to advanced, which will be published next week here on the channel absolutely for free in one part. So this will be probably a 6-7 hour long tutorial, and let's see what we are going to build. So I'm going to log in first. And over here we have the main page, so we can select some data that we want to visualize. So let me select some range of data, date from, date to, and here we can select the chart type, just like in Django and data science. However, this is a little bit more sophisticated because we also can present the results by transaction or sales date. So I'm going to press sales date, search, and there is actually no data available in this date range. So we can go to add from file. We can drag and drop this file, the CSV file, which consists of some records, like over here. And then we can go back to home and select from the 7th to, for example, today's date. And let's press search. And here we have some data frames. So we played around with pandas data frames, learning about them. And then we have the chart. So this chart can be added to a report. So let's do this. Let's add something like cool results. And the remarks will be, we are doing progress. Something like this. Let's press save. And then we can close this and go to reports. And here are our reports, actually one report, okay? So we can view the details like this, but also if we go back, we can view the PDF, okay? So let's make this a little bit bigger, and here we are, okay? So this is it, and we have also sales, and here's our sales list. So we have the customer logo, the transaction ID, who was the salesman, and what were the positions, okay? So one TV product was sold for $600, and then we had 3 laptops sold by this price to this customer, okay? And this is basically it. This is what we are going to build. It's going to be, as mentioned before, quite a long and challenging tutorial. And as mentioned before, the entire course is going to be published in one part. So you will get straight away at least 6 hours of content, all right? And after publishing this course, the next one in line is going to be React.js with Django REST framework. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and hopefully we will see each other next week. Have a great day, and bye-bye.